Ladies and gentlemen, we're still outside at Big Zulu's album launch, and I'm here with
Sino Msolo.
Where's the music? Where's the music?
No man, we're still cooking. We're
Still cooking. Okay, so how do you feel about today's experience?
Quite different from what I'm used to, but very interesting. You know, yeah, man, it's just interesting. That's what I can say.
And the music?
It just reminds me of home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite collaboration on the album?
It's the one with Toss.
That goes up.
Yeah.
That goes up.
That one,
Okay.
yeah.
And then the outfits. Let's talk about your outfits. What theme did you get? Because everyone got a different theme.
There's some royal golden something. So I was like, if I have Kgware, I guess Big Zulu will love that. So I'm like, yeah.
Okay, shout out. Thank you so much for joining us.
No problem.
We look forward to the music. Please give us new music on behalf of everyone.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
No problem.